The first step to removing the bottom thread bobbin is to ensure that the crank handle is in the top or vertical position. This sets the position of the bottom thread bobbin and its shuttle to allow for their removal. The bottom thread bobbin is located in a compartment beneath the needle. In order to access this compartment, you need to rotate the plate which covers it. The plate has a small hole in it which locks or snaps into place on a little protrusion on the actual arm of the sewing machine. It doesn't really matter which direction you swing the arm out in, either away from you or towards you, as long as it is comfortable for you. Once you have opened this compartment, you may now remove the bobbin. I like to use the small tweezers because they exert outward pressure on the hole in the bobbin and allow me to lift it out quite easily. Once you have removed the bobbin, you can then remove the shuttle which works together with the bobbin. Again, I use the tweezers as this allows me to remove it quite easily.